on my way. I'll be on my way. It's just my lion heart, the one you try to tame. You are the hunter tonight. I'm right here dodging the light, but nobody knows who is the cat, who's the mouse. And I'm not gonna stay here to figure it out. I'll be on my way. I'll be on my way. It's just my lion heart, the one you try to tame. I'll be on my way.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all had a great Thanksgiving holiday and were able to relax a bit. If you're dreading the post-holiday cleanup, put this video up on your TV and clean with me. Today's video is a deep clean of the kitchen, featuring a full clean out of my fridge and a mini organization project in my pantry cabinet. Lucky for me, I wasn't the one hosting this year, so I was able to pre-clean my kitchen ahead of the holiday. I'm so glad you're along for the cleaning ride today and hope to spread some cleaning motivation your way. Be sure you're fully subscribed to my channel by clicking the red subscribe button and hitting the notification bell below. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I started with was unpacking and cleaning these two clear storage containers I picked up at Marshall's on sale. I have two main cereals that I eat every morning, and I wanted to find a storage solution that would help me get rid of several boxes of each cereal that I keep on hand at any one time. Is anyone else a strict routine person like me? Especially in the mornings when I'm tired, I haven't had my coffee yet, I'm all for a super easy breakfast option that I don't have to think anything about. I loved the look of these clear containers, and the pop-top sealing feature was cool too. Whenever I pick up anything from the store, I'm sure to wash it out first, as you don't know how many hands have touched it. While those dried, I went ahead and did a few other miscellaneous cleaning items to fill the time. What did you guys do for Thanksgiving this year? My family gathered at my aunt's house, who lives about 2 hours south of where I am in Northern Virginia, so we just drove down and back within the same day. Pretty easy day trip, light travel. We did have to drive on 95, which is always a bit of a wild card, but all in all, pretty easy. And then on Saturday, we traveled another 2 hours to a different spot in Virginia, to Charlottesville, for the UVA Virginia Tech rivalry football game. I don't know if any of you have big football games that you look forward to on Thanksgiving, but every time that UVA is hosting, my family and my extended family, we do a big tailgate, so that was definitely a fun activity and a good way to spend another day together over the long weekend for Thanksgiving. I'd love to hear what you and your families did to celebrate Thanksgiving. Let me know in the comments below. While I was cleaning the kitchen, I was also making pancakes and of course getting that caffeine fix in. It's a Saturday, which means there are definitely pancakes happening in this apartment. I recently tried the Starbucks iced coffee pre-packaged version, where you can buy the bottle. There are about 4 servings in it, and it's good for 7 days after you open it in the fridge. I'm really liking it, and especially with the price. It's only $5 for those 4 servings, so it is good bang for your buck to get that Starbucks fix without the Starbucks price.
I'm over here, gotta get across. Whether you like it or not, there is a moment meant for us. And now you made it, but I already played this. Not interested, open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow me, shadow with me, I won. Oh, the sky is on fire. The lake has turned to a golden sun. I'll never get tired. I just wanna dance, just wanna I'll never get tired.
two main cereals I eat are shredded wheaten bran and the peanut butter flavor of Magic Spoon. Have any of you tried Magic Spoon? It is an ultra healthy cereal, pretty expensive, but I really like it, and it's a good way for me to eat cereal without added sugar, which is really hard to find if you look at most of the box cereals out there. The Magic Spoon fit really well into the glass container, but the shredded wheaten bran held less than a box and a half, so not too much of a space saver there. That said, I did love the way that they looked and how easily they fit into my cabinet. So all in all, happy with the project, and we'll probably try to get some more storage bins for that pantry. Given it is only a cabinet, there's a lot jammed in there, and I think there's a lot of organization potential. So, with the Thanksgiving holiday over, it is officially holiday season. I picked up the Peppermint Scent all-purpose cleaner from Mrs. Meyer's in my last Grove Collaborative box. Oh my gosh, you guys, it smells amazing in here when I use it. It's like you're cleaning with Christmas. You don't even need a peppermint or Christmas scented candle. You can clean and get that same scent. Would recommend a million times over. So if you can pick some up, I know they were going fast earlier this season. I would definitely recommend going and picking up a bottle or 2 or 3, depending on how much you enjoy the scent of the holidays. Talked about this before, but living in an apartment building, the recycling drop-off is down in the garage of the building. It's not super convenient. I live up on the 7th floor. As a result, there's always a recycling pile growing slightly out of control in our dining room nook area that seems to be never ending. I had filled up this big box, so it was finally time for a trip down to take that out and clear out the recycling area for at least the next 24 hours or so.
If you want it, I surrender to you. Yes, I am waving the white flag. I surrender to you. Yes, I am waving the white flag. Waving the white flag. I'm waving the white flag.
The other new cleaning product I picked up in my last Grove Collaborative box was Mrs. Meyer's Baking Soda Cream Cleanser. I've seen this product used on glass stovetops as a great cleaner before, and I was really excited to try it out. I used my Scrub Mommy sponge with it, using the scrub side of the sponge slightly wet in order to get a good lather going with the cleaner, and I was really pleased with how well it cleaned. I can't wait to find additional uses for the cream cleanser across my apartment, as I'm sure there are a ton of places where it's going to come in handy.
It's way too easy to say stuff I never do. You know it's not how I feel, baby. So can we let this slide? Can't stand to see you cry. Come a little closer, there's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. I love you and yeah. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know. Don't do right by me, I'll do right by you. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know. We got this.
I know it shouldn't surprise me, but I'm still impressed with how quickly the kitchen sink gets dirty. I know that it's something that gets used multiple times a day, every day, but still, it just seems to need to be cleaned all the time. Today, I decided to use my tried and true Comet powder and my Scrub Mommy sponge to give it a good scrub down. Again, I'm using the pink hard scrubbing side of the sponge when I'm doing this. It's soft enough that it's not scratching the sink, which I really like. I really love the versatility of the Scrub Mommy sponge. As I was watching back through this video, I realized all the different places that I use it just in one clean of the kitchen. So I've linked it down in the description of this video, the Scrub Mommy sponge, but also the Scrub Daddy sponge and their entire family of products. So be sure to check it out. If you don't already use them, I really can't recommend them enough, and think you should definitely pick up one, if not a couple, to go ahead and get started in your place. Next up is the big project that I tackled during this day of cleaning, which was a full deep clean of my fridge. When I say full, I mean full. Everything is coming out, everything's getting scrubbed down fully, cleaned out, and then put back in. If your fridge is in need of a deep clean, especially after the holidays, try to do it at a time when it's emptier. So after you've eaten through your Thanksgiving leftovers, ideally right before you go to do a big grocery shop. This means less items that you have to move in and out, fewer things that need to be sorted through to see what's still good and what's way past its use-by date, fewer things that need to sit out while you clean the fridge and then be put back in. The first steps are cleaning out all the items from the fridge and then sorting through them to see what needs to be tossed. I had laid a milk carton sideways on the top shelf of my fridge and had it leak all over, which is what you're seeing up on that top shelf. It is nasty. So I was really excited to do a deep clean today and go ahead and get that scrubbed off. Though it's a bit time consuming, I do a full use-by date check on every item in the fridge at least twice a year, just to catch things that have gone bad and need to be replaced. Here I'm checking everything, looking at dates, and sorting into two piles. One for items that will go back into the fridge after I'm done cleaning, and the other for items that need to be tossed and replaced. It's a good idea to make note of which items are being tossed so you know what needs to be added to your next grocery list. And if you've timed this fridge deep clean exactly right on schedule, you'll be going to the grocery store soon because your fridge is emptier. So go ahead and add those items to the list so you don't forget them.
You
The next step is removing the fridge shelves and drawers so that you can easily access the walls and floor of the fridge itself. I'm going to clean out the fridge in 2 easy steps. First, I'm using my handheld vacuum attachment to vacuum up any crumbs off of the floor and sides of the fridge, as well as the drawer inserts in the door. If you missed my last video reviewing this vacuum, add this to the list of reasons why I'm loving it. I'll link that video in the description below so you can check it out. Second, I'm going to use Dawn Power Wash and my Scrub Mommy sponge to scrub out the entirety of the fridge, wiping down the section with a dry paper towel afterwards to clean up any lingering soap. It's a super easy and fast process, which is key because you do not want your food to be out of the fridge for too long. If you have anything particularly sensitive, you can always leverage your freezer for short periods of time to keep the food at a refrigerated temperature.
Call back? Do you ever pick up on that phone? Stop pretending I don't know you're home. I guess not. Do you ever respond? Explain it all again, again, again. Tell me why you don't wanna be friends. I guess not. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Stop crying over things I can't take back, not yet. Do I ever forget? Erase your pretty face inside my head, wishing you the best of life instead. Well, not yet. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Together, you, oh, you. I keep wishing and wishing and wishing. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Oh no. Talk to me, baby. I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around. Drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all.
Now that the fridge itself is clean, I turned my attention to the drawers and shelves. Living in an apartment, my kitchen sink is fairly small, so I chose to use my bathtub to wash all of these so that I'd have more space. I'm going to use Dawn Power Wash and my Scrub Mommy sponge just like I did in the fridge and scrub down each shelf and drawer using my tub faucet to rinse them off afterwards. When you're done, you can wipe them down with a towel and boom, you've cleaned every part of your fridge. I highly recommend going the tub route if you've got decently sized drawers or shelves in your fridge. It really is a lifesaver.
It's been quiet for a day now. Can't bear the silence inside my own head. I keep on hoping somehow we can make this alright. Just keep on trying. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around. Drowning our fights and whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. Wake up at your place, wake up at mine. Same question always. I'm getting tired.
It was such a satisfying process to add the clean shelves and drawers back in and reorganize with my remaining food items. This is a great deep clean project that is straightforward and that can be accomplished within an hour or so. If you're looking for a quick win post-Thanksgiving where your fridge held so many things, this could be the win you're looking for.
What you want? Why don't we just get a place together?
I wrapped up cleaning the kitchen with a quick vacuum, reaching under my appliances that are often neglected to get a more thorough clean with my handheld attachment. Thanks for joining me on this Clean With Me. I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving, that you have a great week ahead, and I'll see y'all next time.